Oh, yeah. I know. Alright, 3 laps? Alright. Woo! Alright, what's going on YouTube? In this video, I'm going to be riding my friend's little Honda 50R. It's a 1997. I get some dirt action up in here. My helmet camera. I rode my bike over here. Oh yeah, that's fun. Woo! Hitting all the bumps. Come back over here. Oh. This thing's quiet too. It's only 50 cc's, but it's got a semi-automatic 3-speed transmission, so yeah, that's cool. A 1997 Honda 50R. That's fun. Woo! Alright, one more lap for you guys. One more! Oh, Jesus. Oh. Flippy slidey right there.